Hi there. Welcome to the Achieve English podcast channel. I'm so happy you're here today. If you're just starting your English journey, this episode is perfect for you. Today, we're going to talk about how to improve your English listening from A to Z. Yes, all the way. You'll learn smart, simple tips to understand English better, faster, and with more confidence. No stress, no pressure, just easy steps that you can try at home, even if you're a complete beginner. So grab your headphones, take a deep breath, and let's enjoy learning together. Let's start with a question. Why is listening in English so difficult? Many learners say, I can read English, I can write a little, but listening, that's hard. If this sounds like you, you're not alone. Listening is a skill, and like every skill, it takes time, practice, and the right method. So let's go step by step, from the very beginning. First, you need the right mindset. Many people want fast results. They think, if I listen for 1 week, I'll understand everything. But English listening is like learning to swim. You can't jump in the ocean on day 1. You need to get comfortable with the water. That's why we start small. Tip number 1 is choose easy, interesting content. Don't start with long news or fast movies. You'll feel lost. Instead, find short videos with slow, clear speech. It can be a podcast for beginners, a cartoon, or a YouTube video where someone speaks simply. The topic should be something you enjoy: food, travel, daily life, hobbies. If you enjoy it, you'll want to keep listening. Now, how often should you listen? Every day, but just a little is enough. Tip number 2, listen for 5 to 10 minutes a day. Yes, only 10 minutes. That's better than 1 hour once a week. Why? Because short, daily practice trains your brain slowly and gently. It builds a habit, and habits make learning easier. Next, let's talk about how you listen. Many people press play and just hope to understand. But that's passive listening. We want active listening. Tip number 3 is listen 3 times, each time with a goal. Here's how it works. First time, just listen. Don't worry about understanding everything. Focus on the general feeling. Second time, listen again and try to catch key words, names, actions, important words. Third time, listen with subtitles or transcript. Read and check what you missed. This method is simple but powerful. Your ears start to recognize words faster. Your brain starts to make connections. Also, remember this important tip. Tip number 4, repeat what you hear. Speak it. This is called shadowing. You listen to a sentence, then try to say it right after. Same speed, same rhythm. It helps your listening, speaking, and pronunciation all at once. You don't have to be perfect. Just try. Your mouth and your ears will get stronger, like muscles. And here's another fun idea. Tip number 5, use English music and songs. Yes, music is a great tool for learning. The rhythm helps you remember. The lyrics teach you real English. And you can sing along, in the shower, in your room, anywhere. Choose slow songs first, ballads, love songs, old classics. Then search the lyrics online. Listen, read, and sing. You're learning and having fun at the same time. Now, let's talk about the fear of not understanding. Many learners say, I feel nervous when I don't catch a word, or if I don't understand the first sentence, I panic. But guess what? Even native speakers miss words sometimes. That's normal. Tip number 6. Focus on the message, not every word. You don't need to understand 100% to get the meaning. Look for key words, nouns, and verbs. For example, if you hear yesterday, park, dog, run, happy, you can guess someone took a dog to the park yesterday and it was a happy time. That's enough. That's understanding. So don't panic. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is communication. And remember, it's okay to listen many times. You are not lazy. You are learning. Repetition is how babies learn. It's how we all learn. So listen again and again. Each time you understand a little more. Let's now look at another great idea. Tip number 7. Use English every day in small ways. Put your phone in English. Watch short English clips on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Talk to yourself in English. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm cooking rice. I feel sleepy. This gives your brain daily input. English becomes normal, not scary. And when your brain feels safe, it learns faster. Tip number 8. Find one voice you like. Maybe it's a YouTuber, a teacher, a podcast host. If you enjoy their voice and accent, listen to them again and again. Your ears will get used to their speaking style. After that, try new voices. Slowly, your brain will adjust to different accents and speeds. And here's something fun. Tip number 9. Use subtitles the smart way. Start with English subtitles. That's great. But don't always depend on them. Try this trick. First, listen with subtitles. Then, turn them off and listen again. Try to guess the words. Then, check with subtitles. This builds real listening power. And finally, tip number 10. Be patient and be kind to yourself. Learning takes time. You are not slow. You are not bad at English. You are learning step by step. And every minute you spend listening is helping your brain grow. Let's continue with something important, your environment. Where do you usually listen to English? Tip number 11, create a listening zone in your life. This means choosing moments in your day when your brain is relaxed, maybe when you're walking, or on the bus, or while washing dishes. Use this time to play English audio, not to study hard, just to surround yourself with English sounds. Your brain will start to recognize the music of the language, even when you're not focused. This is how children learn, just by hearing again and again. Now let's go deeper. Tip number 12, use podcasts like this one. Podcasts are great because you hear real voices. You learn about interesting topics. You can listen anywhere, no screen needed. You can pause, rewind, and repeat anytime. Start with podcasts made for beginners, then slowly move to more natural ones. And don't forget to use the transcript if available. Reading and listening together is a super way to learn. Tip number 14, don't translate in your head. This is hard at first, but with time, you can understand English in English. If you hear it's raining cats and dogs, don't try to change every word into your native language. Just try to feel the meaning. Think, it's raining a lot. Your goal is to connect English words with real-world meaning, not with your dictionary. Tip number 14, write a listening diary. Every day after you listen, write a few lines. What did I hear? What words do I remember? How did I feel? What did I learn? This makes listening active. It helps your memory. It shows your progress. Even one sentence a day is enough. I listened to a story about food. I heard the word delicious. I felt happy. That's real learning. Tip number 15. Use short videos and pause often. Choose a video you like. Watch 5 seconds, pause, try to repeat, then watch again. This helps you notice how people speak, not just the words, but the music, the pauses, the stress. You start to feel the rhythm of English, and when you feel the rhythm, you understand better. Now let's talk about emotions. Tip number 16. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Maybe you listen and don't understand. That's okay. Maybe you repeat and sound strange. That's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. Every baby makes 1,000 mistakes when learning to speak. And guess what? They don't care. You can be like that too. Brave, curious, playful. When you remove fear, you open the door to fluency. Tip 17. Talk to yourself out loud. Yes, out loud. After you listen to something, try to explain it in English. For example, I listened to a podcast about food. The man said he loves spicy noodles. He eats them every day. It's okay if your grammar is not perfect. The goal is to practice thinking in English. Talking to yourself connects listening and speaking. It makes the words active. Tip 18. Watch the same video many times. Repetition is your best friend. Watch your favorite video 5 times, 10 times, even 20 times. Each time, you understand more. You hear new words. You feel more confident. It's not boring. It's powerful. Tip 19. Join an online English group. Many learners around the world meet online to practice. You can join Facebook groups, language exchange apps, or online events. Even if you're shy, you can listen at first. You'll hear real English from real people. And maybe one day, you'll say hi too. Tip 20. Celebrate small wins. Did you understand one new word today? Great! Did you listen for 5 minutes without subtitles? Amazing! Every step forward is success. Smile, say good job me. Give yourself a high five. Learning English is a journey. It's not about being perfect. It's about growing little by little. So, take your time, enjoy the process, and remember, you are doing something wonderful. You are building a new skill, a new voice, a new way to connect with the world. And that is truly special. So, my friend, today we went on a full journey from A to Z to discover simple, powerful ways to improve your English listening. Let's quickly remember what you've learned today. Listen to something short and fun every day. Repeat what you hear. Try to shadow the speaker. Use subtitles wisely, first with them, then without. Enjoy music, podcasts, and videos in English. Don't be afraid of not understanding everything. Talk to yourself. Practice thinking in English. Be patient. Be kind. Be proud of every small win. You don't need to study for hours. You just need a few minutes each day with a smile and an open mind. Learning English is not a race. It's your personal journey, and you're doing amazing just by being here today. So keep going, keep listening, keep growing. And hey, if this podcast helped you, like this video. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new episode. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you learned or share your favorite listening tip. Most importantly, practice what you've just learned. Even 5 minutes today makes a big difference. Thank you for spending your time with me. Until next time, stay positive, stay curious, and keep enjoying English. Bye for now. See you in the next episode.